In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to construct a relative frequency table by doing this practice problem with you. And in this problem, the data is given, the frequency table is given, and we're going to make that our starting point. So when the frequency table is given, how do we construct the relative frequency? The first step is to find the total. We can find the total by summing up all these values, all the frequencies. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 16, 17, and 20. So the total is 20. It matches the sample size. And now to find the relative frequency, we're going to divide each frequency by 20. So feel free to grab a calculator and check my work. I know that 1/20th is 0.05, which is 5%. 3/20th is 3 times bigger than that, so it's 15%. 2/20ths is 2 times larger. 5/20ths is 5 times larger. Here's another 5/20ths. 3/20ths is 0.15. And 1/20th is 0.05. And of course, the total here is 1, and the total of the percentages must be 100%. So relative frequency is computed by taking frequencies and dividing them by the total number of observations in the data set. So we just need to now enter all the answers. And because I see the percentage here, I'm going to enter the answer as percentages. And we got full credit. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you would like to try a similar question, look for this link in the description of the video.